Namaskara. This is the fifth and the final part of the video of the series Finmo Updates. And today I am talking about the most important aspect, the services and the rewards. Now, how do you get services when you come to Finmo? And when you want to add more money or you want to know what is the current statement, how much is your money grown, how much you invested. For all these things, there is going to be just one number. That is 63640-60600. This is a support center, Finmo Help Center number. And it is not the individual phone number. So let me just try and dial this number and show you how it works, how we have built this whole system. I'm just dialing this number just to...
Welcome to Finmo Advisory. If you are an existing client, press 1. To know more about Finmo product and services, press 2. If you are Finmo's referral partner, press 3.
Let's say I'm a client and I'm pressing 1.
This call may be recorded for our training purpose. We are transferring your call. Hold the line.
So that is how you will get to hear our support executives and whatever you want. Maybe you want to have the latest statement, because what we have seen in our experience in so many years is when we have the app, we have WhatsApp, but the clients come back only when they want to know something. Once in a month, once in 15 days, once in 3 months. They just call us and they want to know. At that point of time, we say download the app, watch it. They say please tell me, just send me an email. So when we thought best way is to have the call center and make sure that we are available on all the working days, morning 9:30 to 5:30 in the evening, we are there. There is a team of support executives who have access to all your investment data, and they just send you immediately and instantly by email or WhatsApp. Whether you want to increase your investments, whether you want to make some withdrawals, or you want to subscribe to a new product, or you want to understand about the market, whatever situation you have some concerns and you want to get that addressed. So they will connect you, they will arrange a call back, or they will arrange a Zoom meeting with the concerned research team, product teams, or the technical teams. So this is available to you, and right now it is available and it is active. Please do call and get to know all the current products that you have subscribed and the current status of the products. And this is available anytime on all working days, 9:30 to 5:30. That is the new service support center numbers for you, 63640-60600. Please note that this is not WhatsApp number and this is not an individual's number. So it is going to be a place where you get all your answers instantly, and there is going to be a typical ticketing system where everything gets recorded, these calls get recorded, and we have a proper mechanism to service you better. And coming to the second part of it, which is the reward section. We want to help one and all the Indians across the globe. We want to help them with whatever resources and expertise we have, and we need your help in that. So whoever is in your vicinity, those who are your friends and your loved ones, you know what happens when normally finance is not discussed amongst the relatives and the friends. Very, very rarely it is discussed. And it is possible that many a time they might get into a lot of trouble which they don't even share. Today, the joint families are not there. A lot of nuclear families. Everybody makes their own financial decisions. In the process, it is possible that they get stuck somewhere. From a good position, they get into a worse position by, somebody suggested, they invest somewhere and they lose money substantially and they get into bad shape. How you can help all your people whom you know is just refer them to Finmo. Whether they want to build 1 crore of rupees, there is Rupee Rakshak available and there is no limit. Even they can come with 40,000, 50,000, 1 lakh, or a monthly 5,000, 10,000, whatever they have. They should start, but they have to get settled in life. Once they accumulate at least 1 crore of financial asset, 1 crore cash in their bank, that's when they get settled in life and they feel that life is secure. So to help such people, now there is an opportunity. You can just refer them. this call center, you can just give a call and give their phone number and names to our support executives. You don't have to do anything. We will take up. We will explain to them. Once they sign up with whatever initial small money they have, we will ensure that in the next 10 years, 15 years, their life becomes beautiful with substantial savings they have, which takes care of their future. And those who have already built substantial money, because now markets have done well. A lot of people have been smart enough to double their money, triple their money in various ways. And if they are sitting on bigger money, or those savings that they have from last 10 years, 15 years, they are sitting on 1-2 crore kind of FDs, 1-2 crore kind of stock holdings, mutual fund holdings, even ULIPs. So if they are sitting on all this, they should come to, you can refer them to FinOp Premium. Without closing those existing holdings also, they can get additional returns on their holdings. So that is definitely what is not available in the market for all. It's very unique product what we are offering through FinOp Premium. If you have heard, there is a press number 3 if you are a referral partner. So we are building a large number of people who are already in the industry, be it LIC agents, be it insurance advisors, be it mutual fund advisors, or be it anyone who is very influential, who has very good credibility in his circles, and his word other people would respect. Such people also, we take them as referral partners, and we share a percentage of revenue with them. But only thing is, they need to regularly keep referring, and they should have a big bouquet of clientele so that they can keep referring at least 3-4 people every week, and they get a good amount of earnings out of that. And we help them with a lot of support initiatives. So that you can also refer such people who can become referral partners with Finmo. They can be your own agents, anyone in your family circle who are successful insurance advisors, successful mutual fund advisors, or successful tax consultants, or anyone who is just enterprising and influential, who is in a good position in a company and who has good contacts, and we can add more and more people. And more than the money here, it is very important that the financial discipline, the financial comfort is given to the people through whatever services expertise that we have. And more people coming in, we only feel better and better in terms of that we are able to reach out to larger people and create an impact in the society, create a group of families, a large number of families become financially independent, and they become financially comfortable, so that they can in turn start giving it back to the society.